In this video, I'll be featuring the Nywele Chronicles head wrap that you saw me use from the previous video. And I removed the blue lipstick from House of Uni in the shade Rio and replaced it with this Nuba number 46, which is a beautiful red. Now, this is the look from the previous video. It's still a vibe with that red lip. Like, I feel like it's so complimentary. But now we're going to take it out and start preparing our hair for the next 3 wrap styles. So for this hairstyle, I'm just maintaining that braided bangs, but I am tightening it. Before, you remember, we kind of loosen it for a little bit of more volume. This time I'm just making it a little bit tight for more definition. Then I just tuck it from behind and then release the ponytail. Now it's a ponytail, yeah? Yes. So release the ponytail and tie it down low because we are going to wrap it down low. I mean, this is still a look by itself, but we are going to spice things up with a head wrap. So if you don't have a head wrap on hand, this can be a nice hairstyle for you to try out. Next, I grab the head wrap and fold it into 2 so that it can fit at least well on my head. Be sure to place it right behind the braided bangs. And on the other side, you have to ensure that it is at least on your ear, like close to your ear, like measuring up with your ear. At first, I thought I could get away with just doing an overlap at the back, but then I decided to do a knot because a knot felt more secure. Feel around the head wrap and tuck it in where you feel like there's some excess fabric. Then you start wrapping the excess fabric around the ponytail. So that will give you like a low ponytail kind of look that we are going for. Looking back, I wish I had made my wrap a little bit tighter. So I suggest you do that. Do a better job than I did.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
For this second look, we're starting off with a high-low top knot and we're going to wrap it up high. And this time round, I'm going to fold the head wrap 3/4 way. When placing the head wrap, I'm going to ensure that at the back it touches my nape and at the front it covers the entire bun. Once I have that situated, I'm going to tie a knot at the top of my head. I also ensure that the ends of the head wrap are equal. Yes, that to me right there is a perfect knot. From here, I proceed to tucking anything that is hanging out, and then I wrap around the bun. Now, you are free to do whatever. This point, you just freestyle, tuck it however you want to. This is like an open playing field from here. Like, play around with it, have fun with it.
snow, let it snow.
Now for this look, you're going to release the hair, let it hang down, and then tie the head wrap from behind coming to the front because you're going to wrap it into a bow. I proceed to secure a knot, a tight knot at the top of my head. Fold the two legs of the head wrap and you fold them closer towards the end so that you can have a big bow. Closer towards the knot will give you a small bow. So you decide which bow you want. Then you just pull and tug until you feel like it's nice and tight and secure. Once that's done, you proceed to fluffing out the ends to create this beautiful big bow. Now what you do with the ends, you tuck them into the bow, and that will actually give it some form of structure, and it will ensure that the bow stays up and out throughout the day. And once I finish doing that, I am ready to slay like the true stylish African auntie that I am.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Guys, so these are the 3 looks I've managed to come up with. I am so proud of Michelle. I love this. This head wrap is so pretty. It's giving me that expensive auntie vibes. I'll put Nywele Chronicles details down in the description box so you can go check them out on Facebook and on Instagram. And guys, I'll catch you on the next one.